Okay, for today's ano ba, styling 101 fashion na nakopya ko na naman. So itong long sleeve na to, i-styling natin siya. Medyo sexy. So, hold on guys. Kailangan ko nito kasi hindi naman pwedeng kahubad lang. Arya is watching me, by the way, from the bed right there. She's sitting and staring at me the whole time. I have another mirror here. Let me just style a little bit. Pwede niyo tanggalin to. Wala to. Ito lang talaga. Pero I think this is much better. So that's how you make your long sleeve a little sexier. I cannot see much my back, but good, right? Try it, guys.